clip in the popsicle like this. You understand? Then, Tata, do you understand? So you're going to glue the clip to the popsicle like this. Understand? Okay, so this is the clip like this. Now what the clip is for, so you are going to insert this small stick in the middle like this. And this will serve as your rolling pin. Okay? Understand? It should roll like this. Okay? You can try it on your own. Okay? It will roll like this. And then you have a straw, right? You have a straw. Each one of you have a straw? Yeah. Okay. So what you're going to do is just cut a small portion and insert it like this. Okay? So this will serve like a handle for your wheel. Okay? Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Sit properly. Do not sleep. Okay. Okay. Close your eyes. Imagine that you are in an island. So you wake up. You are surrounded by beautiful ocean. Beautiful ocean. White sand. Green trees. But you can